As a country, we are sick and tired of this Meyiwa case. It has been too long. Watching and listening to the same thing over and over again, and nobody's coming up with the solution. We need decisions. We need to know what happened and who did it, because it's been too long and our taxpayers' money is just being wasted for nothing, on nothing. Clearly, our legal system is not strong enough to rule on this case. And as a country, you know us most. We have more sangomas than DJs. We have even sangomas in every acting production. You have sangomas in every radio station. Just get us a sangoma that can just throw bones and tell us who did it. That's all we want to know. You can even give them bones from Nando's, man. Give them bones from KFC. Stop wasting our time with the same thing. All over, every day we're listening to the same thing. Not enough evidence, not enough this, not enough that. Just give us a prophet or a sangom. How I wish we still had Bushiri in this country, because Bushiri, he would have told us. That man could tell you things that happened in 1940 and still tell you things that will happen in 3038. I'm sure you can agree with me. All of you can agree that we are sick and tired of listening to the same thing. By all of you, I do not mean the perpetrators, because the perpetrators right now are very happy that the legal system is failing the family of the victim. So, as a country, can we please just beg our government to believe in our traditional healers? I'm sure there's a traditional healer out there who can just throw bones and tell us who killed the man. Because now we want to watch other things. We are tired. Everything is expensive. Like, we are buying airtime every day to watch, hoping that there's gonna be like a solution of what happened. And it's the same thing every day. Aye, guys. Aye. If our traditional healers cannot solve this problem, and our prophets cannot solve this problem, I don't know what must be done now. Maybe you should just give me a tender to go and started to be a sangoma for 2 weeks. Me, I will come back and tell you what happened and who pulled the trick. I will not waste time. It's too much. The family needs to rest. The family needs a solution. It's been too long. It's been too long. How? The man will be born again before we know who killed him in his last life. Maybe. So